How to Start Freelancing in 2024, Ultimate Guide for Beginners. Hey there, future freelancers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of freelancing. You're looking to make a career change? The freelancing might be the perfect path. What is freelancing? Freelancing means working for yourself rather than being employed by a company. You can offer your services to multiple clients and have the freedom to choose your project. The video is divided into these steps: finding your niche, building your portfolio, setting up your online presence, pricing your services, finding clients, managing your freelance business. Finding your niche. Identify your skills and what services you can offer. Are you a writer, designer, or social media expert? Specializing helps you stand out and makes it easier to market yourself. Some skills are writing, graphic design, web development, programming, digital marketing, photography, videography, translation, data analysis, illustration, social media management. Building your portfolio. Showcase your best work to attract clients. Start with sample projects or offer your services at a discount to get those first few pieces. Online presence. Set up a website to display your portfolio. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to network and promote your services. Create a professional online presence. Here's the list of freelancing platforms: Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, TopTal, Guru, People Per Hour, Freelancer Map, -99 Designs, Total Design, Cloud Peeps. Pricing your services. Research what others in your field charge and consider your experience level. Start with competitive rates and gradually increase them as you gain experience and positive review. Finding clients. Start by reaching out to your network. Let friends, family, and know that you're freelancing. Use job boards, social media, and freelancing websites to find opportunity. Managing your business. As a freelancer, you're running a business. This means managing your time, keeping track of your finances, and staying organized. Use tools like Trello, Asana for management. That's it for our guide to starting freelancing in 2024. Remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay dedicated, and keep honing your skills.